crushing it with just 35 videos, over $100,000 earned. Check this out, pure fire. I jumped on Google and asked straight up, if we crush it by creating long-form entertainment videos targeted at the USA, what kind of RPM are we talking about? Boom! Google hits back $2 to $7 per 1,000 views for entertainment long videos aimed at the USA. And get this, here's a killer channel in the entertainment category that's absolutely dominating. With only 35 videos, it smashed 14 million views. Let's break it down. Even at a conservative $3 RPM, and your mind will be blown. That's $42,000 earned from just those 35 videos. And here they are, these epic videos right in front of you. What are they about? Dive in. Reliving America's golden eras. Telephones from the 1950s and 60s, vintage TVs, home decor vibes, classic bikes, iconic cars, and even old-school bathrooms. In short, this channel is igniting nostalgia for America's past, and it's 100% monetized. Look, ads are running strong. Just images with AI voiceover crushing it. Don't listen to the haters, just hustle hard and make it happen. Check out these videos in action. I'm playing one for you right now.
Color palettes included muted tones like olive green and mustard yellow, often accented with bold hue.
See that? Pure AI voiceover magic. People said no monetization, just pictures with effects. They said it wouldn't work. All lies, all garbage. Today, we're diving deep into the entire powerhouse method in this video. But before we blast forward, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button right now and drop a like on this video if it's delivering massive value. Let's go! To dominate with USA-focused videos, you gotta know their epic history, the fashions, the trends, the iconic items that fire up nostalgia, and I'll teach you how to do that. Step 1. Finding killer ideas. For killer ideas, you've got two unstoppable methods. The first is a bit tougher, the second is supercharged and easy. First method, jump on YouTube, hit the search bar and type "things in 1950", things from the 1950s. Hit enter, boom! Channels crushing it with videos on vintage fashions from America and English-speaking countries, exactly the style I'm pumping you up to create. Ideas exploding. Cars, stories, home designs, everything. Search this keyword on YouTube, grab those results, and ignite your own ideas. Or go the easy turbocharged route with our ultimate ally, ChatGPT. In the prompt box, drop a powerhouse prompt to generate USA vintage video ideas. You're not writing it yourself, that takes effort, but your bro here grinded for you. I've got you covered. Check my video description. The first prompt is there, a complete beast for ideas. Copy it exactly, paste into ChatGPT, hit enter, nothing else. Watch this, ChatGPT explodes with 25 killer ideas right before your eyes. These are your 25 long-form video powerhouses. No more struggling, this prompt delivers everything. Step 2, crafting an unstoppable script. Now pick one idea that fires you up and build a script that hooks viewers hard. Scripting seems tough, what to say to make it explode? Two epic methods, one harder, one effortless. Harder way, for example, we want to create our video on this topic, 10 toys from the 70s that are now banned. Copy that headline, jump to Google, paste it in the search bar, boom, websites loaded with details. Open the first one, full info on those 70s toys now banned, images, everything. Another site, same fire, dangerous toys once allowed, now forbidden, complete breakdowns. Research these articles and images to craft a value-packed script that dominates. But if that's too much grind and scripting from scratch is brutal, your bro's got your back. No heavy lifting needed, just copy-paste power. Second method, back in ChatGPT, drop the next prompt. In my description, first was ideas, second is this pro-level script generator for 9 to 10-minute beasts. I poured effort into this. Copy it from the description. Paste into ChatGPT, there's a spot for your topic, grab our example, toys from the 70s now banned, paste it there. Hit enter, and boom, ChatGPT starts delivering a full script, intro to outro. Read it, it's pure gold, feels alive. But don't use it raw. Add your human fire, tweaks for that personal touch. No AI issues after that. Full script ready, intro to epic close. Step 3. Generating pro-level American voiceover. Free and epic. Free site for premium English voiceovers with American accent fire. Google clipchamp.com, Microsoft's Beast editor. Click on Create a Video. In the editor, left side, Record and Create. Bottom option, Text to Speech, click it. Right side box, paste your full script, in parts if needed. Language, English. Voices below, audition them, pick the one that pumps you up. Hit Save, VoiceOver generates fast. Export button top, 720p, download as video file to your phone. In your editor, convert it to audio. Easy. Step 4. Gathering visuals that explode on screen. Time to collect visuals, images that bring your narration to life. 2 powerhouse ways. First, copy your topic from ChatGPT, Google it, hit the Images tab, boom, tons of pics for those banned toys. Or from your script, 10 toys mentioned. Copy each toy name, Google it, specific images flood in. Download them all, perfect for every mention. Even better, generate AI images for zero copyright worries. Effort needed for prompts, but I grinded a monster prompt for you. In description, 3rd prompt for image generation. Copy it, paste into ChatGPT, enter. First, 5 intro prompts, no toys, just era vibes. Then, for each toy, 3 custom prompts with poses, details. Full match to your script, intro plus 3 per toy. Example intro prompt, copy one. Google picklumen.com, awesome site. Create button, paste prompt, set 16:9 ratio for long videos, generate 2 images. Default model, don't touch, hit generate, and stunning results. 50s, 60s, 70s vibes, colors, hairstyles, perfect match. Do this for all intro and toy prompts, build your full image arsenal. I did it all, you can do too. Next, killer background music, essential to skyrocket engagement. YouTube Studio, audio library. Search old and hit enter. Vintage tracks galore. Play them, find the one that transports viewers back. Download button, grab it. Step 5, editing mastery. Transform into a nostalgia beast. Editing time, pay attention. This makes it unstoppable. I'm using Wondershare Filmora. Any editor works. Import all images, background music, voiceover. Voiceover layer, video file with black screen, bottom. Images on top. First, arrange. Intro, 5 images first. Then, toy by toy, 3 images each as narrated. No effects, video flops. Must add effects. Effects tab. Search old video or old film, apply full length. Makes it look authentically retro. Another old film layer, stretch to full video. Transitions tab, pick cool ones and add between every image. One more, shake or movement. Effects, search shake or mild shake. Apply full length. Images subtly move, breathe life. Add text box, your channel name, must. Export without subtitles. Video exported, CapCut editor, imported. Free subtitles, any style. Everything spoken appears on screen, takes it to the next level. This is the full unstoppable method. Start grinding this today and God willing, you'll be stacking serious dollars fast. But remember, consistent hustle is the key to massive dollars.
You know, growing up in the 70s was something special. We didn't need fancy apps or screens to have fun. All we needed was a backyard, a little imagination, and maybe a toy that accidentally gave you a bruise or two. It was a different time. Rules were looser, parents trusted us to figure things out, and toy safety. Well, let's just say it wasn't exactly the top priority. Today, we're looking back at 10 strange toys from the 1970s that would never make it to the shelves today. But all of them made childhood unforgettable. 1. Lawn darts. Backyard fun with a sharp twist. If you grew up in the suburbs, chances are someone in your neighborhood had lawn darts, also called jarts. Big metal darts with heavy tips that you'd toss across the yard, trying to land them in a plastic ring. The problem? Those things could land anywhere. A few inches off and you weren't just missing the target, you were sending a dart into your cousin's leg. After too many ER visits and one tragic death, they were banned in the 80s. But for kids in the 70s, they were part of almost every summer BBQ. 2. Creepy crawlers. Cooking up trouble. This one felt like science and art rolled into one. You'd pour this goopy, colorful stuff, called plastigoop, into metal molds shaped like bugs, then bake them in a mini oven. It was fun, sure. But those metal trays, they got hot. Burn your fingers kinda hot. Still, the thrill of cooking your own fake bug made every blister worth it, until safety concerns eventually melted away the fun.